Hello guys, my name is Parv Yadav and welcome to my channel. My channel name is Digital Marketing Lab. So today I'm going to show you the about the schema data, schema markup. So everything about the schema markup, I can start the playlist. So for the first video, I can going to discuss with you the type of the schema and the how it look likes and the what was the timeline and the Q&A about the schemas. After these videos I can provide you the everything about the schema type, every I can explain every schema, single schema kind of article, logo, organization, event, video. So I can show you the video in a video to how we can create a schema, a very good schema. Okay, so now we can start. So what is schema markup? Schema markup, also known as structured data, as the language search engine used to read and understand the content on your pages. By language, we mean a semantic vocabulary code that helps search engine categorize the content of pages, characterize and the categorize the content of the pages. Okay, guys. So adding a schema markup data does not guarantee rich result. It will encourage Google to show rich result, but there is no guarantee. Basically, if we are using a structured data, that can be going to push Google to show a semantic data on a SERP. But there is no mandatory guarantee to, if we can use structured data, then it's mandatory to Google can show a semantic data on a SERP. It's not a mandatory. It's depend on your page relevancy and the schema markup relevancy. How long it take rich result to appear after adding schema data? There is no any timeline, basically, guys. So if we can add a structured data, so it's depend on the relevancy and the popularity of the pages, ranking of the pages, authority of the pages, and the content quality. And if everything is going smooth, then we have to using a schema markup. That would be make sense to appear a structured data on a SERP. There is no fixed timeline. Usually results start appearing in 1 to 2 months, but it may longer on some cases. Um, Type of schema data languages. There is three type of schema data. Schema data languages: JSON, LD, microdata, and RDFA. Basically, for the normal basis, we are using JSON LD because Google can consider JSON LD languages easily understand the schema language if we can using JSON LD. So that's why the frequent basis we are using a JSON LD. So I can show you the total 12 most common schema markup type. The first one is article, breadcrumb, event, job posting, local businesses, reviews, logo, product, video, site link, search box, person, organization. Okay, so the first one is article schema. So this is a article schema type. So if we can using a article schema, then appear the search result, that kind of the interface we can get if you can using the article schema. Breadcrumb schema, you help user and search engine understand your website structure. This is a schema, a breadcrumb schema example. Event schema, user loves to find out about recipe happenings in the city, recent happenings in the city, art, culture, literacy, and social events they love to attain. So that's why we are using the event schema. If we are any kind of news we are publishing, so that's why we can use a event schema. This is a event schema example. Okay, job posting, this is a job posting schema example. Local businesses, if you have a local business, then most probability we can use local businesses schema. Then while the publishing local businesses schema and any kind of schema, the make sure you have to relevancy. If the make sure that I can going to take an example for the local business schema. The our brand name is should be the same on a website page, and the local business schema timing is the same, addresses, make sure we have to same on a page, our website and the local business schema. And the timing, description is the depend on the locally business area type of we can use the scheme description. Okay, Review schema. Review snippet will display those yellow stars alongside how many reviews your products, local businesses or software products are receiving. That this is a review snippet schema. Logo. Make sure we can use the logo schema. That would be the logo markup tells Google what your goal logo is. That way your correct logo will appear in the Google knowledge panel every time someone search for your company. Product markup gives Google more information about the products listed on your site, so that searchers can see more details directly on the search result pages. So this is the type of the product schema. Video. Google sometimes show rich snippet for pages that contain videos. It used video specific structure data on the pages. To understand more about the videos it shows, those enhanced result can show up in multiple Google platforms including search, video, image and discoveries. This is an example of the video schema. Cycling search box schema. When it comes to making a impact in the SERP, cycling can help you provide more options to searchers and take up more space. So this is a cycling schema, cycling search box schema example. So make sure if we are using the cycling search box schema, so you guys are able to cover more space on a SERP using the cycling search box schema. You have to see this guys. You guys are showing about us, career, free job tools, free SEO tools. So these kinds of information can show your metadata very attractive. So that's it's a more best important things. So you have to use cycling search box schema. Person schema. If when you want to know about a person, you will get all the relevant information about the person by just typing the name of the person on search engines. Supposedly the any kind of any person can operating a businesses. So that's how we can publish a person schema on our pages that could be appear on a SERP and it's look like this. Okay. Organization schema. Google know when a user is searching for a local offering and will rank local business at the top of the result accordingly. Because the majority of local searches happen on mobile device, it's important to help improve your appearance in Google map pack. So this is about the schema. I hope so everything I have cleared your doubts about the schema. This is mostly type of the schema we are using on a frequently basis on our pages. Okay guys, so every schema I can going to talk about you the detailed how we can generate a article schema, breadcrumb schema, event schema, job posting and other schemas. So today is topic is this. So I hope so you guys are, if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys. And if you guys have anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me, so you have to share your thoughts on a comment section. I can going to solve your problems. And the last request, if you guys are haven't subscribed my channel, so it's a please to you have to hit the subscribe button. And if you guys want this PPT, so I can also provide. So you have to comment, you have to share the email ID on a comment section and I can give you on a mail this PPT. Okay guys, for free. So thanks for the watching guys. Bye bye, take care.